Hello, and welcome to this brief overview of what we call the Once a Month Gold Club. My name is Matt Reddick, and I'm a licensed financial advisor, #1 best-selling author, and Karatbars affiliate. As we all know, there are lots of clubs people belong to today, and you might belong to one of them yourself. You know, there are golf clubs, there's bridge clubs, tennis clubs, book clubs, investment clubs, reading clubs, knitting clubs, wine tasting clubs, and the list goes on and on and on. But I'm going to talk to you today about becoming a member of the most exciting and profitable club that you've ever heard of before, the Once a Month Gold Club. Now, as a financial advisor for over 25 years, I know that everyone wants to make more money and save more money. As a matter of fact, statistics show that over 50% of Americans have less than, you heard me right, less than $10,000 saved for retirement. And yet we all want to retire wealthy and also create some type of residual income that is not dependent upon our daily production. You know, it was J. Paul Getty, the oil magnate years and years ago, who said it best. And he said, "I would rather make 1% from 100 people's efforts than 100% of my own." That, my friend, is a smart businessman. So how can you make more money, save more money, and create a residual income that is not dependent upon your daily production? Well, I have the answer, and that's with Karatbars International and our Once a Month Gold Club. With Karatbars, we're not asking you to spend money on products such as soaps or lotions, potions, vitamins, weight loss, nutrition, or anything else. All we're doing is exchanging some of our US dollars that historically have been going down in value every year into real money, which is gold. Why? Because gold has proven to be a very good hedge against inflation, and it preserves our buying power over time. So what's so unique about Karatbars Gold? Well, let me give you a short outline of why it's so valuable. First of all, the gold here is 999.9 pure 24 karat gold bullion in a credit card size heavy duty card. And it comes in 1 gram cards, 2.5 gram and 5 gram increments. By the way, the Karatbars Gold comes from an LBMA accredited refinery, which is the London Bullion Market Association. There are thousands of gold refineries around the world, but the LBMA only accredits about 70 or 72 of them, and so Karatbars uses one of those accredited gold refineries. You also have the assayer signature on the card, which validates its purity. And on top of that, on the back of the card, you have the Karatbars logo gold stamped from the LBMA refinery, and the refinery is called Nadir. So it is the highest grade gold at a competitive price. As a matter of fact, I did some research and compared Karatbars Gold to the 3 main worldwide competitors, which are UBS, Credit Suisse, and Argor Heraeus. And guess what? Karatbars is an average of $20 to $25 less per gram for their 1 gram card. You heard me right, $20 to $25 less than their 1 gram card competitors. It's an amazing product that gives you the highest grade gold at the lowest cost available in their particular category. So let's talk about now the Once a Month Gold Club, an exciting gold club you can participate in if you make a small commitment to yourself and to your team. Now, to make more money and create a residual income that is not dependent upon your daily production, you'll want to do these 3 things to start with. Number 1 is to simply sign up for a free account with Karatbars. Doesn't cost you anything. Just go to karatbars.com, click on becoming an affiliate, and sign up, and you have become an affiliate. Number 2 now is you want to purchase a business package if you want to create a large amount of residual weekly income. And there are 4 to choose from. You have the bronze package, the silver package, the gold package, and the VIP package. And obviously, the larger the business package that you purchase, the larger your commissions and payouts are going to be. And by the way, you could also simply sell a few of the company's 3D gold cards, and you can earn a business package versus buying one. So either way you do it, you want to have a business package, and the higher package you have, the more your commissions and payouts are going to be. And then number 3, you want to become what we call a professional inviter. That's all. Don't try to learn all you can about gold and the comparisons of gold and kinds of gold out there. Just become a professional inviter. Invite your friends, your family, co-workers, associates, and contacts to check out the Karatbars business opportunity by going to something like a website like this, or a webinar, or perhaps a conference call, or a local group meeting. Just become a professional inviter. That's all you have to do. Let the experts and those people who have been in Karatbars for a while tell the story for you. Now, once you've done these three things, you've signed up for free, you have a business package, and you're going to become a professional inviter, now you're ready to become an official member of the Once a Month Gold Club. And here's what you want to commit yourself to doing. And there's 4 things, and you can do it very easily. Number 1 is you want to acquire 1 gram of gold per month from Karatbars. That's all. Just purchasing 1 gram of gold per month from Karatbars. You know, we should all be saving money for retirement or for our future, and this is around $62. So it's not like you're cutting your budget in half by having to buy gold. It's just 1 gram per month, which is around $62, kind of preserving your buying power for the future. That's the first thing. Commit to yourself and your teammates you're going to do that. 1 a month. Number 2 is bring in 1 new person a month into Karatbars at just the bronze business package level, which is about $120. Now, you might bring in more people than that in a month, but commit yourself to bringing in just at least 1 person at the lowest level, the bronze level. Now, they may come in at silver, gold, or VIP, but let's just say you just bring them in at bronze. Number 3, commit yourself to teaching your new people and their new people to do the same thing every month. And what is that? You're going to buy 1 or purchase 1 gram of gold per month and bring in 1 new person per month. And the 4th thing you need to commit yourself to doing is faxing in your results or emailing your results to your sponsor in our kind of results log that we have every month on the first day of each month, so that your team members, that your sponsor can know what you did the month before. It's kind of an accountability. You know, if we're not accountable to something, we usually don't do anything. So you don't want to disappoint yourself or the people around you. So do those things. Purchase 1 gram of gold a month. Bring in 1 new person. Number 3, teach them to do it. And number 4, fax in or email in your results. Now, having done all of this, you might be asking, okay, Matt, if I commit to all these things, then what's my results? Well, simply this. If everyone in your organization does the same thing that you do every month, in 12 months, your monthly residual income could be up to $18,000 a month. You heard me right, $18,000 a month. Provided that by that time you have upgraded or purchased your VIP business package by that time, by the 12th month. And that's really it. It is simply that simple. Again, acquire 1 gram of gold a month, around $62. Bring in 1 new person a month, at least at the bronze business package level, which is $120. Number 3, teach them to do the same. And number 4, fax or email in your results log every month to your sponsor on the first day of each month. That's it. Is that worth $18,000 a month? Sure is. Is this something that you could commit yourself to do and believe that you could do it? Absolutely. So what are you waiting for? I don't think you're waiting any longer, are you? So if you're ready to commit to these 4 things now, let me be the first person to congratulate you on becoming a Once a Month Gold Club member. And let me end with this, that this business and this marketing plan has worked for many, many other people around the world. Karatbars is currently in over 120 countries. It's worked for others, and it can certainly work for you if you go to work a little bit every week and every month. So welcome to the Once a Month Gold Club.